Hi, once again, welcome to our AG Center workshop. Today, we have Japanese hybrid car. I will carry out installation of LPG system in this car. A hybrid car is a combination of two engines, internal combustion engine with a capacity of 1.8 litres and an electric motor. By installing the LPG installation, we would like to show you that the car can be even more economical and greener. The average cost of 100-kilometer trip in this hybrid on gasoline is about 5.70 euros. However, in a hybrid with an LPG system, cost is only about 2.7 euro. The difference is therefore double. That means that every 1,000 kilometers traveled, we can save over 23 euros. Conclusion: if you drive a car for 5 years with an annual mileage of 20,000 kilometers, driving with LPG system, even in a hybrid, you can save up to 3,000 euros. We install a sequential installation for the hybrid. We assemble it exactly the same way as standard Autogas systems. We installed a 62-litre tank for this car without minimizing the luggage compartment capacity. This is the maximum cylinder capacity for this type of car. We fitted the LPG filling coupling at the fuel tank inlet, all according to the customer's preference. Another hybrid leaves our workshop with Autogas system, Zenit Blue Box, injection rail Hercules, extremely reliable, long-lasting and durable in all working conditions. Magic reducer, compact size, currently one of the most stable reducers, pressure and temperature-wise. All elements of the Autogas system have been selected and installed in accordance with the highest standards. Auto Toyota Auris Hybrid. Engine 1.8 litre, 99 horsepower, 142 Nm. Year of production 2017. Zenit Autogas systems, Zenit Blue Box controller, injection rail Hercules, magic reducer, twister volatile phaser filter, toroidal tank 62 litres. Assembly, Company Workshop AG Centrum, Radom.